हरे कृष्णा। जय राधा माधव, जय कुंज बिहारी, जय गोपी जन वल्लभ, जय गिरिवरधारी। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन, यमुना तीरा वनचारी, यमुना तीरा वनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी, जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी, जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी, जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं, देवी सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया, भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। Hare Krishna. So we welcome all the devotees. Today is a very auspicious day. Chaturmas is also presently we are going through, and special month is starting from today itself. This month is a special for devotional service. So Let's start with this important shlok from Srimad Bhagavatam 7.1.13. Atra budhorata purvam itihasa surasina pritya mahakrito rajan pritchate ajata satrave. अत्रैवोद्धारता पूर्वम् इतिहाससुरार्सिना प्रीत्यमहाकृतौ राजन् पृच्छाते अजातशत्रवे. अत्रैवोद्धारता पूर्वम् इतिहाससुरार्सिना प्रीत्यमहाकृतौ राजन् पृच्छात अजात शत्रवे. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनाशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्. वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजाता सहगना रघुनाथान्वितम् तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनासहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपदान् सहगना ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितंश्च. नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामीति नामिने. नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात देश तारिणे. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. पंचतत्वात्मकं कृष्णं भक्तरूपस्वरूपकं भक्तावतारं भक्ताख्यं नमामि भक्तशक्तिकं. हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधो दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमस्तुते. तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Hare Krishna. So today is the first day of Shravan Maas, and across Bharatvarsh, or you can say across the globe, people perform lot of austerities, tapa, yajna, increase the chantings of holy names of Lord. They visit too many places which are important for the devotees, or places which are full of love of Lord. So today's shlok which says, translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, Swami Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Formerly, O king, when Maharaj Yudhishthir was performing the Rajasuya sacrifice, the great sage Narada, responding to his inquiry, recited historical facts showing how the Supreme Personality of Godhead is always impartial, even when killing demons. In this regard, he gave a vivid example, purported by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. This relates to how the Lord exhibited His impartiality even when killing Shishupal in the arena of the Rajasu Yajna performed by Maharaj Yudhishthir. Ajata Shatrave. So Maharaj Yudhishthir is known as Ajata Shatru. His qualities and his relationship with among the brothers or citizens or to any known or unknown, he is like Ajata Shatru. Prabhupada explains in this purport that how Lord is impartial. So this, in the Rajasu Yajna, where Maharaj Yudhishthir was performing, and in the Yajna itself, what happened is expressed here. And Parishit Maharaj is asking the question, inquiring from his spiritual master, his mentor, his guide, Shukdev Goswami. And Shukdev Goswami is explaining that same type of question was asked by Maharaj Yudhishthir to Narad Muni while performing this yajna. How devotee or non-devotee, or as it is explained here, how the Lord is impartial even to people like Shishupal, and in front of everybody, Lord with his Sudarshan Chakra, when Shishupal was, his head was different from his body, with the Sudarshan Chakra, the soul from Shishupal entered into the body of Lord himself. And Yudhishthir Maharaj was asking this question, that how even he was a enemy, so called, but still how he got this perfection. And as you know, everybody we have heard from our childhood that Jay and Vijay, who was serving Lord in his abode, and they, for the pleasure of the Lord, they took this role, and that's how the detail explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam. So, how we can understand these pastimes? So, as it is explained in Bhagavad Gita also, Lord is impartial. The way we approach Lord and the way we do our activities, in that manner or in that fashion or in that process, we get the back what we deserve or what we have performed. Every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So it is expressed here again and again. So what is the process to fulfill our own, or what is the process of discovering ourselves? Bhagavad explains, Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya. We have to serve the master, spiritual master, in such a way. While serving, we can ask questions that who am I? What is my duty? Who is Lord? What all about this Prakriti? And what is my role? And how can I get the perfection? And while doing this seva, it will be get revealed by the spiritual master. That is the process. Yadyad achariti shrestha. That's how the acharyas have performed their tapasya and have done their spiritual activities under the guidance of their spiritual master. So nowadays we see how for every small thing we need a teacher, what to do and what to not. And now we go to schools and colleges to learn different subjects. And we have to pay also. But previously, or probably 200, 300 years ago, almost 7 to 8 lakhs villages were there, the part of this Bharatvarsha. And it is recorded that we were having almost 4 to 5 lakhs of gurukuls, where students used to learn different topics while serving the master or teacher. Some of them, they used to stay along with the teacher in the batch of 25, 30, 40. And some of them used to go to their respective houses, and during the whole daytime, they used to come and learn. But nowadays we see that education is sold. Not only education, but food is sold, water is sold. But previously, this was the opportunity that it was never sold, and by one's devotion, the master used to reveal the hearts along with the different subject knowledge. Nowadays, it is just information, information and information, but no transformation. Everywhere we can see. Newspaper you take in the morning, it is full of information. Now this is the era of digital world, where on the WhatsApp or Facebook, people are connected for hours together, but their hearts are not connected with each other. They have thousands of friends on Facebook, but in reality, their heart is crying for happiness and love. Because in digital world, it is, in a way, you can say it is a so-called bhul bhulaiya. So people are not connected. They are not able to reveal their hearts to each other. It has become so superficial. So if they are not connected with themselves, and if the similar way in the family, one is not connected. And then what to say about the Lord? But Lord, He doesn't see. He bestows His mercy on everyone, just like Son doesn't see that he is my devotee or he is different and the other people are different. Or rain, it is equal to everywhere. It might be stone, it might be house, or it might be field. We can see that rain doesn't see that. Or even a flower, whoever passes through that area, that aroma is available to everybody. I am not able to recollect the shlok of Bhagavad Gita where Lord says, that whatever desire you come or whatever things you come in front of me, in that portion I fulfill your desires. So it is up to individual person, individual soul, that how he or she takes the personal life, understands the importance of a human being and the Lord who is impartial to everybody, because He is the Father for all of us. The way we approach Him, He 10 times He take the steps toward us. I remember a small story in my family itself. I remember my daughter, Krishna Priya, who is when she was 4 years old, and somehow in one fine day, she gave me one small greeting card and a flower, and she wished me. Now that flower or greeting card, whatever money she has took from her mother, but what was transformation for me, the way she expressed herself with a mood of love and gratitude on my special day, on my birthday. Similarly, the Lord is the Father of all of us. So He has provided food grains. He has provided abundance of air, fresh air. Now in COVID days we see how oxygen was such an important part and parcel of life, that without oxygen it was difficult to survive. And everywhere in the world, people were struggling for oxygen in a hospital. But from years and years together, in abundance, Lord has provided us with the fresh air, oxygen. He has provided with us sunlight. In the house, every month we get a bill for electricity and we have to pay it. But when Lord, He is giving us in such a huge quantity, and we, the souls who thanked Him for giving us this wonderful different things for human being. And some souls, they don't understand. They are so entangled into their own life that they forget to thank him, but still he is waiting for his sons. Just like when a rich man's son, he has gone to a big mela, and where he has not able to come back, and then one day one gentleman saw, oh, he is the son of our Sethji, and he is unnecessarily struggling here. So someone gave him food, someone gave him treatment, someone gave him something to wear, or someone gave him a nice blanket. So that is perfect. But what is the most important was a person who saw him and he said, yes, I know his father, let me take him back to his father, where he'll become the most happiest. And when he took him back to his house, everybody was with full of joy and happiness. Similarly, in this world, we are the brothers and sisters of the same Lord, where we can live our life here with a gratitude towards Lord, happily and joyfully, and with the prayers, with the chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. With this gratitude, we perform all our duties and make the perfection of our life, because Lord is impartial to everybody. So thank you very much for giving the opportunity to discuss few things today. I again congratulate you and lot of best wishes for this coming month, which is starting from today itself. This month is a very auspicious Shravan Mas, where we have got the opportunity to go deeper into one's life, try to discover as much as possible. And I also pray the Lord to kindly bestow His special mercy on all devotees and let them perform more in this month. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.